What's Daddy got? Huh?
Okay, that's enough. Give me a cold puppy. Give me it. Give me it. Cold puppy will be a little gentleman now. See, cold puppy's a little gentleman.
Yes, look up. In your face. A little napkin. Let me get a better one for you, cold puppy. Hold on, hold on. Here we go.
Give him a nice piece. So this was the crab season, huh? Rob? I don't think
He doesn't like it, no. But he gets excited. But he rarely eats it.
He's licking the sauce.
Yeah,
he's not eating.
but he doesn't really like crabs.
I do. Know what?
Okay, Miss Pebbles.
Yeah, you're like me. I give the